How to add a search bar in Shopify header. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a search bar to your Shopify store header. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the lower left side, click on Settings, scroll down, then click on Apps and Sales Channels. In the top right corner, click on Shopify App Store. In the App Store search bar, type search bar. From the results, look for RS Smart search bar and filter. Click Install to add the app to your store. Click Install to add the app to your store. Once installed, the app will open. Scroll down, click Next to proceed through the setup steps. Then, click on Custom Search Bar. Then click Next again. Now, provide your contact information. Here, click Add a Search Bar. Scroll down, click Add Custom Search Bar. You will be redirected to your Shopify theme editor. Make sure the search bar is enabled. You will now see the search bar appear at the top of your store right in the header. And that's it. You have successfully added a search bar to your Shopify header. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.